Hi, thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I really appreciate it. I'm in my 60s and I am a longtime esthetician, and I would like to talk to you today about the Skin Perfector. Now, a lot of us as we age, just putting a cream or something on our face really isn't enough. It's a great idea to have some of these other tools in our anti-aging arsenal so that we can tighten our skin and drive the product in deeper. And maybe you have some other things like acne or brown spots that you would like to work on, and this does it all. So the Skin Perfector has 5 different main core modalities that it uses. It has muscle stimulation for lifting. It has kind of a light micro needling, but without the needles. So what it does is it opens up little areas of your skin, sort of like micro needling does. And so it opens it so that just for a few seconds so that the product can go in deeper and create collagen. And then it also has a warm energy that helps to stimulate collagen. It has its own transportation system to drive product in deeper and to help create more hyaluronic acid in your skin to plump up your skin. And then it also has LED light. And these LED lights go deeper into your skin, and they do different things depending on the color. So red is the one that I primarily use, and that is great for tightening the skin, lines and wrinkles, and sagginess. And then there is blue, which is for if you have mild acne. And then green is for brightening your skin. And then there is also a flashing pink light, and that flashing pink light will help to drive product in. And so what I found lately is that this can also be used to enhance your cleansing. So what I've included in my kit is the green tea face scrub. So the green tea face scrub, you can put that on your skin, and I will do a little demonstration. You turn it on and there's red. And then you can boost up the volume to 4 so that it's stronger. And then the green and the blue for acne, and this is for lymphatic drainage, the orange. And then there's pink to drive in product when you turn on the flashing pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little demonstration. I've had a lot of clients who have been getting great results. And then I also had some requests to do a demo video on this. So that's what I'm doing in answer to my client. So anyway, I am going to start using the green tea. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of the green tea. Now the thing is with exfoliations, very, very important. When I started using the exfoliation prior to using this device, I really saw an improvement. And the reason that the green tea face scrub was created is because recent research shows that if you exfoliate your skin every day, you're going to, it will start acting younger, and because the cells will start turning over more quickly like when you were younger. But in addition to that, if you continue doing this on a daily basis, it will actually affect the deeper layers of the skin, which will really help with anti-aging. But you have to be careful that you don't over exfoliate. Whereas this it has organic ingredients. It has jojoba beads, small jojoba beads, and green tea. It smells like fresh green tea. And this is just the right amount of exfoliation so that you can use it on a daily basis. So I'm going to start with that, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my face just for demonstration. And so I'll just start here, and then we're going to turn on the flashing light. And it's probably hard to see on camera, but you can see the different colors very clearly if you have it in your hand. So then it's just going to, it feels so good. You can feel, it kind of feels like little fingers massaging your skin in. So you can just do your whole face using the green tea face scrub. Now this comes with the kit, like I said, and when you're done with that, you would wipe off your device with just some some water and rinse your face off. Make sure that you get all of the little grains off, so that you can go ahead and proceed with your next color. So for me, I like to use the red. So I'm going to turn it to the red, and I'm going to turn it on as full as I can, as high as I can, which would be the number 4. And you can see in this little window, it'll show you the varying 4 phases. And so I like to turn it on the highest one so that I get the biggest bang for my buck. But you can start with just the first one if you feel like it's too much, because you do really feel it. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Youth Gel. And the Youth Gel is loaded with peptides. Peptides are the building blocks of collagen for your skin, and the more you use it, the better it's going to work. One of the peptides actually helps to soften the muscle, so sort of like a Botox in a jar, in a bottle. And then it also has some other peptides that will just help with building the collagen. So what I'd like to do is I like to put the, instead of putting it on your face, because sometimes it'll just absorb in and then you need a lot more, I like to put it on each of the little probes on here. So you have like all 4 probes. And then you just start all over. Now, what's really important, and this is something that I just learned recently, is you want to go behind your ear. So you go kind of in circular motions behind your ear. You want to get on the side of your neck, because this is going to tighten. That's how you pull everything up. You go behind the ear, and then you go to the side and the back of the neck, and I can really feel that, because it feels very stimulating. It doesn't hurt. It actually feels really good. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to bring it up to this area here. We want to work on underneath the chin. If you have a double chin, or you have what I call a melting neck, you know, as you get older, it feels like it's sort of melting forward and getting wrinkly. And so we can really work on this neck area. The jawline's very important. And then another area to really work is right in front of your ear. So, you know, if they do a facelift, they're always pulling right in here. So we're going to do right in front of the ear is going to be very important. I just want to make sure I go behind the ear, the back and side of the neck. Make sure you really get the front of your neck good, and then your jawline. And I like to go, you can go just straight up and out, but circular motions is really good too. I like to go underneath my cheekbone and underneath my eye. And when you get close to your eye, and I don't know if you can see this on camera, when you get close to the eye, you can see that it does stimulate the muscle around your eye, and you can see how it just works on the muscle of the eye. And then, of course, your forehead, try and get that 11. And all around the edges of your face is really important. So you're always going to go from center out and behind, center out and behind. And so you want to use this 3 to 4 times a week. Now, if you have a primary concern, that's the color that I would start with. So my primary concern is going to be lines and wrinkles and sagginess and, you know, general aging. And so I would do the light first, but my secondary would be some brown spots. And so since my secondary would be brown spots, I would work this for a month, every other day, 3, 4, 5 times a week. And then you could start adding, I would start adding the green for me, because this would be, my secondary would then be to start working on more of an even skin tone. And if you do the, I forgot to mention the pink, not the flashing pink, but just the pink, that is going to be to lighten and brighten your skin. And then, of course, the flashing is to drive in product and really great for cleansing your skin and putting that cleanser on there. So, So if you want to plump and soften your skin, that's what I have found, especially after adding that exfoliation and using this machine with the exfoliation and then the red light, and then possibly maybe your secondary would be blemishes, or maybe that's your first concern is blemishes and brown spots. So then you would use the blue. So this comes with full instructions. I've been using it for a long time. I think it's amazing, and I think you'll really like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that this was a good demonstration for the people who have been asking for it. And so I will put all of this in the description box. This kit comes with this. It has a charging station, and when you put it on, make sure that this little window turns blue, and then you'll see that it's charging. Otherwise, it's not charging. So it comes with a USB port and this charging station. It also has the amazing green tea face scrub, and then what I call the youth gel. Use this daily and you will really see a difference. So I'm going to put all of this in the description box. And I hope you have a great day, and thanks a lot for watching. Bye.